besides just the general nature of plaintiffs' practices, contingent practices, that, there's always delay, when you have a case and when it ultimately resolves. Here, a lot of us have seen depositions slow down, trials not occur. So we're going to have even a bigger delay. Probably we're all looking at a bigger delay going forward. So what strategies, if any, would you talk about for us?
Sure, and I'll speak about some general strategies, but it's important for the attorneys listening to take a look at their own business model, because there's no one-size-fits-all solution. If a law firm is self-financed, for example, they don't borrow money, they have no lines of credit, the advice is going to be a little different as compared to, say, someone who borrows money from a specialty finance company and it's paying 18 to 24% in interest, right? And then there are those that work with banks in the middle. Contingency fee attorneys are not going to feel the true impact of this pandemic and the resulting economic crisis for another 6, 12, or 18 months. And that's because although cases are still moving, everybody's intakes are down as a result of the business closures and stay-at-home orders, right? So the cases that you're currently moving, you've signed up in the past. You're not signing up as many cases as you were in the past, and your clients aren't out there treating, so you're not going to feel the effects of that for some time down the road. So you need to think about this with the long game in mind. It starts with, what type of business do I have? If I'm self-financed, then we would recommend exploring financing alternatives. Because when you feel the impacts of this slowdown, these self-financed attorneys are going to find themselves going into their pockets just to keep their business afloat. Interest rates are very low right now. Self-financed law firms typically have strong financials, a good financial history. And every trial lawyer has something that's very attractive to all banks. We call them low-cost deposits. Every law firm, even if they don't borrow money, it's obvious they have an IOTA account somewhere. That account is extremely attractive to banks. So if you're a self-financed attorney, we recommend exploring financing options.